Hey everyone, it's Laura, an academic coach at the Academic Achievement Center, and I just wanted to take some time to share a resource that I use when I'm collecting sources for a research paper. And so I really like this tool because I find a lot of times when I'm collecting a lot of sources and looking through a lot of papers, I sometimes find it difficult to differentiate from what one paper said versus the other. So I use this to keep everything on track. It's really great because you can put your class up here that it's for your research topic. You can put the citation information, which will come in handy when you're doing citations. It even gives an example of APA. Then you talk about the key points of the article and your responses of how that might relate to your research topic, your thesis statement. You can do a summary of the article. You can do quotes that you might want to use for your paper. And then finally, some considerations like, are there limitations to this research you should be aware of? Or are there more direction about future research that you want to look into? But then when I go to write the paper, sit down to actually write it, I can use this sheet to figure out which article I want to use and just helps me keep a little bit more organized. So I hope it's able to help you too.